Welcome to 2000 Osprey Cove Drive in North Columbus. This stunning home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with 2 exquisite master suites, all situated on almost 1 acre in River Crest subdivision. Beautifully maintained and impeccable attention to detail throughout. This home is move-in ready. Custom built for maximum versatility. There are 2 master bedroom suites, and this one is on the main level. Upstairs are 3 additional spacious bedrooms and a bonus room. The closet storage in this home is unbelievable. You are gonna love it. The second master suite, which is upstairs, offers exactly what today's families need. Check out this backyard oasis, beautifully landscaped and private. It's going to be an outdoor living space you use year-round. The playhouse is great for the kids and the workshop is wired and ready. 2000 Osprey Cove Drive in Columbus, Georgia. Come check it out. Thanks for viewing this video tour. If you are interested in seeing this home in person or need more details, please contact our buyer team, Tom Maldonado and Marty Upshaw at 706-358-4064.